What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be taking a unboxing and taking a look at a new watch I've just purchased. This is a Christopher Ward C63 Sealander in white. As you can see, I have not yet opened the box. Full disclaimer: I didn't buy it new. It is very difficult to procure here in India because the customs charge around 70% on top of the value. So I found a collector who was willing to let go of his piece for a good reasonable amount. So I just purchased it. I haven't opened the box yet. Figured I'll do a first impressions video as I unbox this on camera, right? So this usually have a slip cover. I believe that was lost somewhere. It doesn't matter. It's a cardboard piece. This itself is made out of bamboo and cotton and some composite materials. Looks a lot like wood, so yeah, good quality and eco-friendly. As you can see, it says Christopher Ward here. The box is a bit beat up, but that doesn't matter. There's nothing else on the box, so let's get into it. Oh yeah, before we start, wristwatch check. Wearing my Omega Seamaster from 1960s. Okay, let's get into it. There's nothing on the inside, but it has a felt lining. So Christopher Ward advertises this watch as a go-do watch. That is okay. Let's go anywhere, do anything type of deal. This is the warranty card. It says 60/60 guarantee, which means you can return the watch within 60 days of purchase, and it has a warranty of 60 months. That is, I think, 5 years on the movement itself. This is the owner's manual, which of course I don't care about, but nice twin flag emblem. So this is a go anything, do anything kind of watch. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a microfiber cloth for polishing and cleaning the watch itself. This has magnets, which is why the box is so secure. Fantastic packaging, I must say. Let's put this aside and come to the watch. So this has been sparsely used, but that doesn't matter. It's a beautiful watch. Wow. So they use a custom case which they call light catcher case. As you can see, it's a combination of brushed and polished surfaces. It uses wow, I'm just left speechless with the dial. It uses a Celita 200 S200 movement, I believe, with a custom rotor, which is very nicely decorated. This has 38 hours of power reserve. Comes with a screw-down crown, and as you can see, has 150 meters of water resistance. Oof, the winding action is very smooth. It's a 39 mm case with about 46 mm of lug to lug distance. As you can see how it compares to the 36 mm Seamaster I own. This is on the rubber strap, but it also comes on the bracelet. I believe this is a combination of rubber and canvas. Let's put it on wrist and see what it looks like. Just for reference, I have a 6.75 inch wrist, so in case you're interested in how it wears. Yeah, I'm in love with this watch already. Although I will definitely be switching out the strap. This is the latest iteration. They have changed the logo on the dial quite a few times. I believe it has been a point of contention for many. They used to have the brand name, and this is the twin flag logo, which is the flag of Britain and Switzerland, as you can see side by side. What else? The case, I believe, weighs around 60 grams without the strap. I mean, just the watch head. And as you can see, it has I mean, pretty much a simple watch, but it has 26 joule movement, which is, like I said, the Salita. So I have a couple of straps which I thought I'll try out. This is a black ostrich leather strap. That's okay. Yeah, another thing I just noticed, the buckle is signed. Nice brush buckle. The crown is also signed, sandblasted behind the crown, and it comes with a quick release on the strap. So as you can see, it just comes off pretty easily. So let's try it on the ostrich leather strap. Of course, when doing it on camera, it takes a while, and usually it just snaps in. This strap is from an Indian company, Indian micro brand called Ajwain. It's genuine ostrich leather from South Africa. It's splendid quality, very supple. Yeah, so this is what it looks like on the ostrich leather strap. Must say, quite fantastic. This is heavily inspired by the Rolex Explorer, from what I can tell. The markers, the batons, I believe, have C1 grade lume, which is supposed to be some of the best in the industry. I think the best. And the lume is blue in color. Sorry, I'll just keep the watch wipe down. Yeah, I mean, it has anti-reflective coating under the crystal itself. And from what I can tell, the markers are brushed except the second hand. Yeah, so I guess that's about it. If you have any questions about the watch, please drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer it. That's about it. Like and subscribe, guys. Hope you like the video. See you.